What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I am hopping in my car right now, midday. Got off early from work, but got something special for you guys today. Going to be finally going stage 1 with this car. Gonna go ahead and order BOOTMOD, have JPEG hook it up for me. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, hopefully it sounds a lot better after I go stage 1. Definitely looking forward to all the pops and bangs and burbles that I can get with it. Just doing stage 1 for now. Want to get used to that power upgrade and then eventually go stage 2. But yeah, guys, I'm super hyped. So hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I got off of work early today, hit up John at JPEG, and he was like, come on through. So yeah, it should be pretty safe on the car right now. I know I don't have an upgraded crank hub or anything like that, but I have friends that are pushing way more than just stage 1 on a stock crank. I mean, for the amount of money to get that much of an upgrade, I think it was like 25% power boost. So I'm really hyped, can't wait. So I'll check in with you guys as soon as we get to JPEG. All right, you guys, so we are actually pulling up to JPEG right now. The homie's pulling in my car. Gonna go ahead and flash the car and get me some power, some real power, which I can't believe because I already feel like this car already has enough power. Yeah, being in my friends' cars the other weekend, and they're all pushing a lot more. They're like stage 2 or on E85, so maybe soon, but for right now it's gonna be stage 1. Hopefully I can do a couple pulls for you guys and give you guys my reaction. You already know this is John's car. I love seeing this car, man. This car is so sick. You guys definitely need to follow his YouTube channel and follow him on Instagram because he's been drifting this thing, and I can see he had posted this that he wall tapped for the first time in this car, but she still looks good. Yeah, stay tuned for his videos too. So is that the bundle?
This is just the list. Yeah, bro, you brought us muffins too?
Oh yeah, those are for you guys. Yeah. No, honestly.
Oh really?
Yeah, I brought them for like everybody else here.
This will eat them out.
Yeah.
So purchase by default includes one paid OTS map. You can choose the one most appropriate for your hardware. Provides flash access to all of the off-the-shelf maps available for your car. Now we just purchased these things. We're just going to enter your VIN. You want to go ahead and go over there and you can your VIN.
So they're showing me this one has a Bowman exhaust.
So he had our V1 downpipes that we did a ceramic coating on.
Oh, sick.
So what the ceramic coating does is it basically just keeps the heat in the downpipes.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't come out and get everything else off. So essentially it helps with heat.
Damn, this shit looks nice.
The way that these work when the valve is open, it goes through. It's like a straight pipe. When it's closed, it goes through the muffler. And
oh,
back to the,
gotcha.
So it's nice and quiet.
Damn, that's dope.
We just did a single turbo on that car. We just finished it up.
Okay.
We're just tuning it, getting it ready for that order to come pick it up. We're here?
I'm down.
Hey, Brian, where's the key to the single turbo car?
So you said this one has the same exhaust? Or same company?
It's pretty much the same thing, yeah. Same company.
Gotcha.
We have this one on this car, and we have it on our shop 335 as well.
Jesus, it's probably gonna be loud. Oh, it sounds pretty chill. Oh, there you go. Opened it up. Dang, there's a huge difference. This is closed. Jeez, that sounds nice. These sound good.
Yeah. Oh, they sound good with their single turbo.
Yeah. Damn.
The motor boost box here, which utilizes the stock boost solenoids, we just plug them in. We have upgraded O2 sensors, bottom mount single turbo kit.
That's nuts.
So working out our PKs.
And you guys did all this?
Yep.
That's nuts.
Can't do that shit again.
That's nuts, dude. It sounds really good. So you already got the license code and everything?
Yes, sir. The activation key, so now we're just obtaining the map, and then we can mess with it however your burbles, or however you want to do your burbles. Go to configure, then we go to exhaust burble type. We can go OEM, original, or custom, so we're going to do custom. Now, for duration on sport, how long do you want it to burble on sport?
I don't know.
I usually do 2 seconds on sport, and I do 2.5 on Sport Plus.
Sport Plus? You can do that. We can test that out.
I mean, worst case, we just adjust it.
Yeah.
Duration sport plus, we get 2.5. How aggressive do you want it in sport? 5. So this is
To be honest, bro, like I never drive the car in sport.
okay.
Like I just always just put it
whatever,
in Sport Plus.
Let's put it at fucking 7.5, whatever. We're just putting in random numbers at this point. So do you want it most aggressive?
Yeah.
12, minimum speed, so you can burble whatever the hell you want. Maximum speed, do you ever go up to 160?
No.
No, we'll put it there anyways. Okay, minimum RPM, we'll have you burbling at 1200 minimum. If you let off at like 6500 RPMs, do you want it to burble?
Fuck. I guess, yeah.
So we'll put you close, basically closer around that 160.
Okay.
So it'll always burble basically whenever you let off. GTS Startup Pro, do you want that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
That one, that's the only one we're gonna put that one. Do you want your cold start still on, or do you want to delete it?
I want it to be loud all the time, so.
Okay, we'll leave it OEM then. I personally don't like the cold start, so I usually delete it. So it's like every time I start the car, it's like as if it was warm.
Oh, it's quiet?
Yeah, it's like as if you had already driven the car.
Oh, okay.
Do you want your exhaust to be open on sport at all times? Because it closes in third gear.
Yeah, I hate that, dude. I can't wait to I'm so hyped on getting rid of that.
So I know you don't drive, you said you didn't go to 160, but we will do no speed limiter now, so you can go as fast as you fucking feel like.
Oh, shit. Damn, boy. So it doesn't tell you exactly how much like power and all that stuff it comes with stage 1?
No, I mean it varies obviously by weather conditions and your octane levels. So like the same stage 1 could technically, it would make more in another state where there's 93.
Gotcha.
Stage 191, 20% horsepower increase and 22% torque increase.
Damn.
Damn. Stage 1.
So now it's flashing?
Yeah.
So I know there's a few things, right? Like the seatbelt shit.
Seatbelt needs to be on, or lights on, so the battery doesn't die.
Okay.
Have your cable, make sure all the doors closed. Do not open one because it might break the DME.
Oh shit. Damn, it's low-key raining out here now. Hopefully I can at least get a few pulls. But this new S5 wagon looks sick on these HREs. This is nuts.
It worked. It worked? It worked.
Shut up.
I told ya. Yeah.
Wait, but no burbles? Please? Please? Stage 1? So that same code never came up? Let's fucking go! Let's go! Alright, so we tried to flash it a few times. That's why it's already getting kind of dark. We've been here a minute, but we've been trying to flash it, and could possibly have just been I rolled up with the heater on, and I don't think I ever turned it off. I think that's why it didn't work. Damn, hell yeah. So just letting the car warm up again, and then gonna try out to see how the burbles sound. Let's go! Hell yeah! Oh yes, sir. Let's go. Woo. Stage 1, boy. Dude, I'm so hyped. We thought something was wrong with it. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Oh, you want to drive it? Let's go. Oh my god. God damn. Hell yeah. All right, here you go. I'm scared. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. You're right about that third gear. That third gear now wants to spin too. Oh my god. Oh shit. Hey, we got the burbles.
Hey, you know what? Honestly, dude, those are the cutest burbles I've ever heard,
dude. Completely stock exhaust.
Damn. Sounds good though. No.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I thought it was gonna sound like real, like whatever, but they're actually pretty loud.
Flashing years, dude. Usually people just wait till they get down by.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
it's interesting. It's interesting to see.
Fucking heater.
I can't believe that.
Because it's so quiet. Yeah, because I had it on the lowest setting. It was on the 1, so you probably wouldn't have even heard it.
Yeah, no, usually.
Because I didn't notice it. I was sitting in the car for a minute. Yeah.
It's hot. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Yeah.
And I start to get even more hot when I'm trying to take off my jacket. It doesn't come off and I start getting itchy.
Yeah, it definitely feels faster.
Yeah.
If I hook, I'm sure I'll really feel it.
Yeah, for sure.
Right now we're spinning. Let's go, stage 1. Oh my god, dude, that's way faster. Way faster. Holy shit.
That feels good.
Oh shit. Hell yeah. All right. So one good thing, my car hasn't been tuned by anything else or had a tune on it for what we know. Luckily it wasn't actually locked or stuck on a tune from somebody else, which is good. But yeah, now we got a lot of power. We got a lot of power. This is just stage 1, so I'll probably chill on this for like maybe a week.
Don't lie, bro. You're gonna get bored in a week.
Yeah, man. Oh my god. This is with traction completely off. So damn. Yeah. So like everybody else, so a few of my homies, they keep their traction completely on because they have so much more that it's like, yeah.
I mean, even now, it's still a lot. You just gotta make sure that you respect it. That's all.
Yeah. And that's why I really did take that into consideration when I was like, I saw a video, the guy was like, just learn your car completely with traction off. Just get used to that and then start tuning it and shit. So I'm so used to the car stock, but damn, I'm gonna have to get used to this one. This is nuts.
You fly by right here?
This. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. All right. I got you. Oh. All right. So John's gonna actually do a few flybys over here. Dude, I'm so hyped. Woo! Sounds so good. Yeah, I can hear those burbles. Oh shit. Oh my god. God, that was amazing. That was so sick. The tires are spinning like crazy. Look at this beautiful ass sky. Oh my god, I gotta get a photo of the car with those clouds. That looks crazy. Oh shit. Damn, dude, you're nuts. Oh my god, this car is so sick. Dude, it sounds really good. Thank you, dude. Hell yeah, I'm glad it's all worked out. It looks dope, dude. The stance of the car, just like how it looks, like now it goes with it. Oh, dude, this car looks so good when you're driving it. Oh my god, you guys. All right, so I got it in neutral right now. We're parked, we're chilling. Just listen. Oh my god. This is nuts. Oh my god. I've never had that in a car before. I'm telling you, it sounds obnoxious, but when it is your own car and you're driving and you're doing that, it's cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be posting more clips. I'll be posting on my Instagram, just sound clips, flybys in the car. Definitely, if you guys have been thinking about doing it, boot mode or BOOTMOD3, whatever you want to call it, It's well worth it. That was just a flash for stage 1 for 91. Man, huge difference in power. I was in passenger seat, so yeah, it feels like 10 times faster, but I'm sure once I drive it, because I have not driven it yet, but once I go and take this thing out, I'm sure it's gonna be crazy fast. John was just freaking spinning in every gear, so definitely gonna have to upgrade the wheels and the tires at some point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to John at JPEG. Thank you, bro, for tuning the car and always taking care of me every time I come through. I really appreciate it. If you guys need any work done, installs, tunes, just any work, hit them up. So you already know, because we've been messing around, I needed to get some gas. But you guys, honestly, this car being stage 1, wow, huge difference. It's crazy. This is only the beginning. So hyped on how everything is coming together with this car. How it looks so good, sounds a lot better too. Got some burble action. Finally drove it myself. I'm in love with this car all over again. Amazing, amazing. I definitely have to drive a lot more careful, but thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.